This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play franchise mode in Planet Zoo. First, you'll want to create a new franchise zoo. This mode connects all your zoos, allowing you to transfer animals and share research. It's a fantastic way to build a sprawling empire of animal parks, focusing on conservation and strategic management. Get ready to dive into a rewarding and expansive gameplay experience. Conservation credits are vital for your franchise's success. You earn them by releasing mature animals into the wild, which also boosts your conservation rating. Participating in community challenges and achieving specific conservation goals will also reward you. Don't forget to utilize the animal market. Selling animals to other players is a great way to gain extra credits and expand your options. Effective animal management is key. The animal market is where you'll acquire new species and sell off excess animals, often for conservation credits. Focus on breeding animals with good genetics to ensure healthy populations and higher appeal. Remember, you can seamlessly transfer animals between any of your franchise zoos, making it easy to balance populations and introduce new bloodlines. To truly thrive, invest in research. Unlocking new facilities, enrichment items, and guest amenities will significantly enhance your zoos. You can expand your current zoo's footprint or start entirely new zoos within your franchise, each contributing to your overall progress. Always prioritize guest happiness and, most importantly, the welfare of your animals to ensure a successful and flourishing franchise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.